Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the observable observation in SwiftUI to remove observable object and published property, so that we don't have to use them. We can just use the observable property in SwiftUI for any kind of UI changes. So here you can see I have one button and I have one text. If I click on this button, here you can see it converts hello to bello, and if it is already bello it converts back to hello. So yeah, that's what the simple thing. But what I'm trying to say is that here I have created a SwiftUI application. If you see my view model first, here as you can see I'm just marking this view model with @observable annotation. Then here I have some text, so I don't have to mark it as @published properties. I don't have to extend observable object for our view model as well. That is automatically handled by our observable annotation. And here I have one method, which simple method to convert our text. You can write a better logic than me over here. And if you see my content view, I'm just initializing our view model. Here I have one button. On click of it we are called this update text method, and inside our text we just display the view model dot text. Yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.